In front of me is Cubot King Kong Mini Free, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security. Over here. Then tap on Screen Lock and pick one of those login methods: pattern, PIN, or password. Then create it. Select Next at the bottom right corner and repeat it to confirm it. When you're ready, select Confirm. Then apply one of those options by clicking on the best one. How do you want the lock screen to display your notifications? I will go with Don't Show Notifications at all. When you're finished, just click on Done and go back. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!